Make sure virtualization is enabled. If it is not enabled, you can enable it in the BIOS. Next, install WSL. WSL stands for Windows Subsystem for Linux. It's a feature built into Windows 10 and Windows 11 that allows you to run Linux distributions directly on your Windows machine. Name your Linux machine, followed by password. Don't worry if nothing appears. This is a Linux security feature. Check if WSL has been installed successfully or not. Set WSL2 as default version. Sometimes you are asked to restart your machine. Next, install Docker. Go to the path as shown on the screen. Make sure you install the correct Docker version. Here we will choose the Windows installation. Let's take a quick look at what Docker is. Imagine Docker as a magic box where you put your software and everything it needs to run. This box can be easily carried to any computer, and when you open it, your software works just the way you packed it, without needing anything extra from that computer. Please wait a few minutes for the Docker installation to complete. After installing Docker, you need to restart your computer. Next, start Docker and wait a few minutes for the installation process to complete. Follow the on-screen instructions to ensure the WSL feature is enabled in Docker. Check the Docker version running on the computer using the command on the screen. Next, we will install CUDA. Please visit the link above to start installing CUDA. I will leave the links below in the description. Select the version you want to install and follow the on-screen instructions. CUDA stands for Compute Unified Device Architecture. It's a parallel computing platform and programming model developed by NVIDIA. CUDA allows applications to harness the processing power of NVIDIA graphics processing units, GPUs, for general-purpose computing tasks, significantly accelerating performance compared to traditional CPUs. CUDA is a powerful tool that unlocks the parallel processing potential of NVIDIA GPUs for general-purpose computing. It offers significant performance improvements for various applications that can be parallelized, making it a valuable technology for developers working in fields like scientific computing, machine learning, and data science. After successful installation, check whether the installation process was successful or not. Next, visit the NVIDIA website to download drivers for your video card. Select the correct type of card you have. I will leave the link below. It will take a few minutes depending on your network speed. At this point, you have completed 90% of the work. There are only a few more steps left to complete creating your worker. Check the driver you installed with the above command. The final step is to create an IO.NET account and set up a worker. You can easily link your Google account to simplify the IO.NET sign-up process. Now start Docker and start running a worker. Follow the order above. During the worker run, your Docker must always be open. Visit the IO.NET page. Go to the Worker section and select a new worker. Follow the steps in order to choose your operating system. Here we will select Windows, then select GPU. Access the link on the worker page to download the binary file. Run the newly downloaded file with admin rights and make sure your Docker is open as shown on the screen. Copy the path as shown on the screen and paste it into the browser window. This is an important step. Copy the path exactly and follow the steps as shown on the screen. Select Yes, then name your worker. Enter the device ID. You can find it in the worker creation page, then copy the device ID exactly as shown on the screen. Then select True, as on the screen the image creation process in the container starts. Notice the CPU percentage column jumps. Your worker has started running. So we have created the system worker. It takes 5-10 minutes to update your worker. Every hour the system will run POW. If everything is okay, you will be verified as shown in the picture. If verification fails, you need to restart the computer and run again at the step of downloading the binary file at minute 5.11. You can also contact the support team on io.net or go to the project's Discord, and the link will be below the description.